disassemble and assemble the system unit. So let's start! By assembling and disassembling the system unit, the things that we're going to use is a screwdriver and, of course, a system unit. The first thing to do is to remove the case cover. So we're going to loosen all the screws. Set it aside. And then, first thing to remove is the power supply. Let's loosen up all the screws. And set it aside also. And then, we're going to remove all the wires inside, and it's not necessary for us to follow a specific order, except these 4 wires. It's not necessary for us to follow a specific order in removing all the wires, but just be careful in removing all of it. But be reminded that there is an exemption in this part. The first thing to remove is the red wire, followed by the green, yellow, and the violet. And to get the motherboard, you have to loosen all the screws. Good day, everyone! Today's video is about the proper cleaning of the system unit.
Without further ado, let's get started. The things that you will be needing for cleaning up your system unit are rugs, the screwdriver set, and of course, your system unit. The first thing that you will do to remove your system unit cover is that you will be using your screwdriver to loosen up the screws attached to it. Right after you remove it, you can actually wipe it off using your rags. To clean up the internal parts of your system unit, you can use your knowledge about assembling and disassembling the devices and the wires that are connected inside. After disassembling, you can use the rugs for cleaning up the most inner part of your system unit. Be sure to clean or remove all the dust because that might be the reason for your computer to not function well. For cleaning the power supply, we can use the compressed air or vacuum. Since in our situation, vacuum and compressed air are not available, we could still use another clean rag for us to clean the power supply. cleaning the wires, you can do it this way. Run the rags through the wire carefully so that all the dust will be removed. For cleaning up the motherboard, you will use a vacuum and a compressed air. Since the motherboard is the main part of a system unit, you're not just going to use rug because that may be the reason for your computer to not function well.
That's it! After cleaning all the parts of your system unit,
Let's assemble it again.